Yeah, it's Minkles. You know what we did. My production. Bear with me because I got a lot to get out right now. Things are getting crazy nowadays, in the mean. They couldn't hold on, now they're living in the streets. Plus I hear a new story every day about police. They get away with murder even though it's on the screen. They try and keep us silent and they wonder why we riot. Just to put our point across we have to use violence. All we want is peace, so we ain't stopping till we triumph. Let's unite and start a war like a hungry pack of lions. They only care of power, lots of money and control. You can take my life but you will never take my soul. Who said we should live a life of being told? In this world that's full of people, we still feel that we're alone. This big problem really needs to get solved, but we need to understand that we can't do this on our own. We need to spread the message straight all across the globe. I know a lot of people who just don't wanna know. We need to wake up, cause sleep's the cousin of death. All I see is zombies and robots, it gets me vexed. Some work every day and can't get out of debt. It's only getting worse now, I'm thinking like what's next? So what's next? I don't wanna dare think. I'm always preaching, they don't wanna hear me. You know I don't get no support from all the closest of my friends. I'm talking about the people I grew up with in the ends. When we face to face, yeah, I'm feeling like they pretend they like me as a person, they just don't like what I do. Reason being for this shit, I don't have a clue. I just gotta keep going, cause my dreams I must pursue. Although we have a choice, we find it very hard to choose. We're living in a prison in our mind and that's the truth. It's why I'm trying to open up your eyes from in the booth. I'm trying to help you see things from my point of view. If you could see through my eyes, you will see how simple the world really be. If we rain down and flood the world with positivity, change will come quick under our sleeve. Communication ain't just when we speak, it's in our actions. So we need to be active for peace. Right now in this world we ain't actually free. Social media, we trapped in the screens. Reality's like an impossible dream. They try and take our mind, I will not let them succeed. They took all our resources, leaving nothing left to eat. Oh Lord, now we out starving in the streets. All cause of their greed, all cause of their greed. Oh Lord, now we out starving in the streets. We need to count our blessings for the reason we're still living. Forget about the takers, cause there's people out there giving. The only problem is the system took away our minutes and got us working every single day just for their riches. Pause, what cause are you living for? I just can't take this shit not anymore. What we gonna do, we have to treat it like a war. All you half-hearted people need to find another door, cause you're slowing us down. This a puzzle that I'm trying to figure out. Time bomb, the clock's ticking, counting down. Always searching, looking for that way out. It's Minkles.
I'm hoping that change to come soon, change to come